Imagine yourself comfortably nestled in a vehicle, ready to embark on a scenic drive through the picturesque landscapes of Madeira, Portugal. Picture the beginning of this journey in São Vicente, a charming village that exists in a beautiful balance of land and sea, nestled between towering mountains and the vast Atlantic Ocean. This quaint village, with its narrow cobblestone streets and traditional Portuguese houses, painted in a rainbow of pastel colors, is a sight to behold. Each house is adorned with beautifully tiled facades, a testament to the rich cultural heritage and the artistic flair of the locals. The village is a patchwork of lush vineyards that crawl up the mountainside, their emerald green leaves a striking contrast to the deep blue of the Atlantic Ocean. Here, life moves at a gentler pace. The air is filled with the sweet scent of grapes ready for harvest, mingling with the salty tang of the ocean breeze. The distant sound of church bells adds a melodic undertone to the soft rustling of leaves and the rhythmic ebb and flow of the ocean waves. It's a symphony of nature and man living in harmony, a serene backdrop to the beginning of our journey. The sense of excitement is palpable as we prepare to embark on this adventure. The open road beckons, winding its way through the heart of Madeira, promising a journey filled with breathtaking vistas and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. There's a sense of anticipation, a thrill of the unknown, a yearning for the experiences that await us. This is not just a journey through a scenic landscape, it's an exploration of a land steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty. So buckle up and take a deep breath. Feel the cool leather of the seat beneath you, the soft hum of the engine, the gentle warmth of the sun streaming through the window. As we leave São Vicente behind, we venture into the heart of Madeira, ready to explore its mesmerizing beauty. As we ascend the winding roads, we're greeted by the majestic mountains of Madeira, their peaks shrouded in a veil of mist. The mountains stand as ancient sentinels, their stony faces a testament to the passage of time. Their towering presence is a reminder of the immense power and beauty of nature. Here, the landscape is etched with the drama of deep ravines and soaring cliffs, a scenery that both humbles and pacifies. The ever-changing weather only adds to the mystique of the journey. One moment the mountains are bathed in brilliant sunshine, their rugged contours sharply defined against the azure sky. The next they are cloaked in a thick blanket of cloud, their peaks hidden, their secrets kept. It's almost as if the mountains are playing a game of hide-and-seek with us, revealing and concealing their grandeur at will. Driving through the clouds is a thrilling sensation. It feels like we're on a journey to the heavens, the world below gradually disappearing as we climb higher and higher. The air is cooler, crisper, filled with the scent of damp earth and pine. It's a sensory experience that's hard to put into words, but it's one that stays with you long after the journey is over. The mountains of Madeira inspire a sense of awe and wonder. They speak of the island's volcanic origins, of fiery eruptions and slow, patient sculpting by the elements. They tell a story of resilience and endurance, of weathering storms and standing tall. They challenge us to look beyond the surface, to appreciate the complexity and diversity of the world we live in. There's a quiet majesty to these mountains, a grandeur that demands respect. They are a testament to the wild, untamed beauty of Madeira, a beauty that's both breathtaking and humbling. And as we navigate the serpentine roads, the mountains serve as a constant, comforting presence, guiding us on our journey across this magical island. Leaving the misty peaks behind, our journey continues, leading us towards the lush green valleys of Madeira. Descending from the mountains, we find ourselves on a road flanked by lush green valleys, a sight that is truly a feast for the eyes. The valleys of Madeira are a verdant masterpiece painted by nature herself, each stroke representing a different shade of green. From the deep greens of the dense foliage to the lighter hues of the grassy meadows, it's as if we've stepped into a landscape painting. These valleys, sculpted by ancient volcanic activity and shaped by time, are not just visually stunning but also evoke a feeling of tranquility. As we drive through, it's hard not to feel a sense of peace washing over us. It's the kind of tranquility that you can't find in the hustle and bustle of a city, but only in the arms of nature. As we continue our journey, the air grows fresher, filled with the scent of dewy grass and blooming flowers. It's a fragrance so intoxicating, it's almost therapeutic. The valleys, teeming with life, resonate with the symphony of nature, birds chirping, leaves rustling, and the distant gurgle of a stream. It's a melody that's as soothing as a lullaby, lulling us into a state of calm. The valleys of Madeira are more than just a sight to behold. They're an experience, a feeling. They're a reminder of the simple pleasures of life, the joy of breathing in fresh air, the serenity of being surrounded by greenery, the melody of birdsong. They're a testament to the beauty of our natural world, untouched and unspoiled. As we drive through these lush landscapes, it's hard not to feel a connection with nature. It's a connection that's pure, untainted by the complexities of our modern world. It's a connection that reminds us of our place in this vast universe, humbling and awe-inspiring all at once. As we bid farewell to the serene valleys, we approach the bustling city of Funchal, our final destination. But the memory of these lush green valleys, their tranquility and their beauty remains etched in our hearts, a reminder of the incredible journey we've undertaken. As we draw closer to Funchal, the tranquil silence of the journey is replaced by the vibrant hum of city life. The serene whispers of the wind through the mountains and the gentle murmur of the verdant valleys fade into a symphony of urban sounds. The hum of engines, the chatter of locals, the occasional peal of laughter, and the distant toll of a church bell all blend together, creating a unique city song that sings of life and activity. The transition from the rural to the urban is a sensory feast. The landscape morphs from the lush greenery of the countryside to a colorful array of buildings, each with its own unique charm. The cityscape of Funchal is a mosaic of pastel-colored houses, historic buildings, and modern architecture, all nestled against the backdrop of the azure sea. As the city unfolds before us, the air is filled with a distinct buzz. It's not just the hum of city life, but also the palpable energy of a place that's constantly moving, constantly changing. Funchal is a city that never sleeps, its heart pulsating with the rhythm of life. The streets are alive with activity, a kaleidoscope of sights and sounds. Street vendors peddling their wares, locals exchanging pleasantries, tourists marveling at the city's sights, and children playing in the parks. All these paint a vivid picture of a city that's brimming with life. The anticipation of exploring Funchal is exhilarating. There's so much to see, so much to do. From the historic cathedrals and museums to the bustling markets and vibrant nightlife, Funchal is a city that promises something for everyone. The city's energy is infectious. It seeps into your soul, making you feel alive and vibrant. It's a city that captivates you, that draws you in and leaves you yearning for more. It's a city that invites you to become a part of its story, to add your own chapter to its rich tapestry of life. And so our scenic drive concludes as we find ourselves in the heart of Funchal, a city that is as vibrant and welcoming as the journey that led us here. As we reflect on this scenic drive, we realize that it's not just about the destination, but the journey itself. As we traverse the timeline of our journey, we are drawn back to the enchanting start in São Vicente. The magical allure of this quaint town with its traditional charm and coastal allure set the tone for an unforgettable adventure. It's as if we stepped into a beautiful painting, where every element was meticulously crafted to stir the soul. Moving on, we were greeted by the majestic mountains. Towering above the land, they stood as silent sentinels, their peaks shrouded in a veil of mist. The sight was humbling, reminding us of the grandeur of nature and our small place within it. Each curve of the road brought a new panorama into view, a new spectacle to marvel at. The mountains were not just a sight to behold, but a testament to the unyielding spirit of the earth. Next, we found ourselves in the embrace of the lush green valleys, a verdant paradise where nature's bounty was on full display. The vibrant hues of green painted a picture of tranquility that lingered in our minds. The valleys, with their sprawling landscapes and the melody of flowing streams, evoked a sense of serenity that resonated deep within us. Finally, the bustling city of Funchal, a contrast to the serene landscapes we had traversed, yet equally captivating. The city, with its vibrant life, historic charm, and modern amenities, was a welcome sight. The sounds of the city, the rhythm of its heartbeat, was a symphony that played in harmony with our journey. Every turn, every sight, every sound, they all contributed to this memorable journey. They etched memories in our hearts, memories that will beckon us back to this paradise. The enchanting São Vicente, the majestic mountains, the lush green valleys, and the bustling city of Funchal, they all played their part in this grand symphony of a journey. This scenic drive through Madeira, Portugal is a journey to remember, a journey that captivates the senses and leaves one